Right, this is the hand, and in the hand it's divided into three parts. We need to know the three parts. This part here, which are these 8 small bones, these are called the carpal bones, and carpal means rest. So these are the bones of the rest, carpal bones. These bones here are called the metacarpal bones. These, and then the phalangeal bones, which are the bones of the phalanx. If we start with the carpal bones, these small 8 bones, there is a mnemonic that can make it easier for you, which is some luck to pick 10 times carbohydrates. Some luck to pick. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrium, pisiform. Some luck to pick. SLTP. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrium, pisiform. Some luck to. And if you look at this, see how the bone is small, and it's on this one, so sometimes it's not easy to see it. You have to tilt it like this. And sometimes those two bones are too close, or sometimes actually they are fused to each other. So you need to notice that. This is the proximal. So the 8 bones are going to be divided into 4 proximal and 4 distal. These are the 4 proximal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some luck to pick. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrium, pisiform. 10 times carbohydrate. 10 times carbohydrate. TTCH. This is trapezium. Trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. 10 times carbohydrate. So 8 again. Some luck to pick. 10 times carbohydrate. Some scaphoid. Luck L, lunate. T, triquetrium. 2. Pick P, pisiform. 10 times carbohydrate. T, trapezium. T, trapezoid. C, capitate. H, hamate. You can do it in the other side too. Some luck to pick. Same thing. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrium, pisiform. 10 times carbohydrate. 10 T, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. And always remember to start from this side, which is the thumb side. So you apply the mnemonic by looking at are you starting from here or here? From here, from the side of the thumb. Okay? Some luck to pick 10 times carbohydrates. These are the 8 bones, 4 and 4, 4 proximal, 4 distal. When you go to the metacarpal bones, you need to number them. So, and always again, everything in the hand, you start from the thumb. So this is metacarpal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how to count. Always count from the thumb. Now the phalangeal bones. If you look at this one here, you see 2 bones. Everything else is 3. Proximal, middle, distal, proximal, middle, distal, phalangeal bones, proximal, middle, distal, proximal, middle, distal. Not this one. This is only proximal and distal. You're lacking the middle one, and you should recognize them. If I put a sticker here and ask you about this, you should tell me that this is the middle phalangeal bone of the second, of number 2. If I ask you about this, you say this is the proximal of the thumb, this is the distal of the thumb. You don't have the middle here. Okay. Other side, same thing. It doesn't matter. Start on the thumb. So this is the first metacarpal, second, third, fourth, fifth. Again, same thing. The phalangeal bones, proximal, distal. Proximal, middle, distal, proximal, middle, distal. So those 4 have 3 bones, proximal, middle, distal, all of them. But this one, the thumb, the first one, have only proximal and distal, not the middle. You look at it this way, you look at it this way, it's the same thing. And that's it for the hands.